Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best cordless oscillating multi in this video? I will show you the top 3 best cordless oscillating multi to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, WOSI 20 volts electric multifunction oscillating multi-tools. Specifications. Brand name, WOSI. Usage, home DIY. Batteries included, yes. Oscillation frequency, 2000 OPM. Degree, 5. Batteries required, yes. Model number, WSY20. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. Speed gear, 6 speed. Battery voltage, 20 volts. Charger adapter input, 100 to 240 volts. Charging time, 1 to 2 hours. The item number 2 is 18 volts cordless oscillating multifunction tool. Specifications. Brand name, Baybuck. Usage, renovation team. Batteries included, yes. Degree, 4. Batteries required, yes. Speed, 6,000 to 20,000 pm. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. Usage, home DIY. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Multifunction Tool Oscillating Multi-Tools. Specifications. Brand name, PROSTORMER. Oscillation frequency, 50 Hz. Speed, 15,000 to 22,000 R per minute. Model number, TET 1010. Certification, CE. Power, 300 watts. Voltage, 230 to 240 volts. Weight, 1.85 kilograms.